Hey traders, John Howell here. We're going to have a look at all the indexes and I want to share with you what I'm seeing actually on the indexes itself. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, hey traders, we're going to have a look at obviously all the indexes. Let me just quickly go through with these and show you what I see or what happened on the daily chart. Dow Jones, a nice little move to the high side. Still couldn't break that 18,300 level though, even on the daily chart. We did have some nice buying movement as well too, so let's see what happens moving forward here, but we still couldn't break that on the Dow Jones. Moving forward to the S&P, we can see the S&P is trying to close that gap, and it may even want to do that tomorrow. So nice buying movement through there. Same for the Russell. The Russell has continued to move up, but the Russell has failed to break above this resistance line, which is still quite interesting. And the Nasdaq, ding, 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 ding. Nasdaq has made a new high. It's actually made a new high for the year. What's that mean? I don't know. It's just really, really interesting to see what's happening going on through here. So looking at all these indices, guys, look at all the indexes. You know, the Dow Jones is still not saying this is getting ready to go up. Actually, it's actually showing the opposite. Well, actually, not the opposite, but I'll show you what I mean here. So let me go have a look at the Dow Jones, and I want to show you this down. This is the chart that I'm keeping an eye out for, and especially the weekly chart. We know that last year's high was. Let me actually bring this weekly chart up here. We know last year's high was around that 18,000. It's really more that 18,000, that 18,300 level. Around about there is what. And you can see we're actually, let me just take that off the screen there. And this is the level I'm keeping an eye on for. We've got this nice support line up through here. But this 18,300, we need to get a weekly close above this line. And also this line through here, which is just amazing holding it for a while. If we get a nice little close above there, which is basically about 18,300 and even as high as above 18,400 on a weekly basis, we get a close above there, then yeah, we could see a nice run back up to what even one of these trend lines, which is 19,000, 19,200. We could see a nice run. If that happens, guys, yeah, I'll be looking at buying the market myself. But right now, it's still, the Dow Jones is still not telling me that we're getting ready to the high side. And I know some of you guys have been saying, but the S&P and the Russell and the Nasdaq and guys, for me, I have noticed the Dow Jones to be one of the leaders out there, and it's not confirming what I'm seeing here. And the Dow Jones is doing something different than the S&P. If you look at the S&P is actually bouncing off it and holding quite nicely. It still hasn't broken above that resistance line yet, though. It's just had a nice rally up. So I actually don't think this will hold for me personally. Looking at this chart and looking at the flow, I actually think we're likely to hold here, and then we're likely to start rolling over and have some serious movement on the downside coming soon. So nice little upward movement from the actual what the Fed said today, and no rate announcement. But guys, looking at this here, and again, if we want to keep it simple, look at that line chart for me. That line chart is everything for me. Everything that all I need to know is everything on that line chart. And once again, around about that 18,000 sort of 300, 18,000 that level through there. Basically 18,300 would be the level for me. But you can see we had a rally up through there. Do I think this is going to just hold and continue rallying up? No, I do not. It's not confirming that, and if we do get a break above, remember I said before, close above 18,300, and now even looking at this level here, we need to basically break above 18,400. We get that, then I think we could see a 19,000, possibly even a 20,000 Dow. But right now, guys, I am not seeing that. I really don't think, by looking at this charts, and I don't think this is going to hold me, and I don't think this sort of buying movement is going to hold, and I think we're likely to start heading down from here. That's yet to be seen, but guys, this is looking really, really, really weak. We've got a false breakout confirmed on the Dow Jones. Do we get a close above or do we get down? I say we're going down. What do you guys think? Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it, so step up, take massive action, and face your fears. today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.